open wide to the ceiling. I'm lying on my back in the center of a room. I've got a voice giving me a funny feeling. It's telling me the world's gonna end real soon. I've gotta get a job, otherwise I'm unappealing. Do my little dance for the man and consume. So I let my energy build for the healing, so I can rain down with my supersonic boom. I'm held down by a fog on my way to the top, all clouded and the pressure won't rise. I'm on a mission to the sky with the stars in my eyes. If the weather won't come from my eyes, like a ball on a chain that is strapped to my brain. I'm a prisoner inside of my dreams. So I will appreciate the future of a day when the clouds open up and scream. And I sing now, I ain't gonna spend my time wondering why I never made it, no, I've already made it.